What's up guys? Okay, so I'm finally feeling better. I've had the flu for the past week. I did test positive for the flu, and so it's been pretty rough, but the World Series of Day Trading starts this week on Wednesday, and I'm pretty excited about it. It should be fun. Last time our team came in second, and so we're really trying to win this thing this time, and so if you still want to join, message me on Discord. I might be able to still get you in the competition. I can't guarantee it, but I'll include that description link in there if you want to check that out as well. But for this video specifically, I wanted to make a series on different strategies I'm planning on using for the World Series of Day Trading. One of them that I've been back testing lately, I call the red to green VWAP bounce, and so make sure to hit that subscribe button because that's what we're going over in today's video. Okay, so the strategy really revolves around the previous closing price and using that as a support level for the bounce off of the VWAP. I called this one the red to green VWAP bounce, and that's because it usually takes place when the stock is actually gapping down, and then right around the open it pushes up and goes from red to green, breaking over that previous close. And so with that said, you just want to make sure to remember to document the previous closing price once the stock is gapping down, and then right around the open, wait for it to push right above that level, again essentially going from red to green. Once you get that, another thing you really want to watch for is you want to make sure the VWAP tries to get as close to that previous closing price as it can, because the closer these two are together, the more support your trade is ultimately going to have, as this is where your preferred entry is ultimately going to be. And so the closer the VWAP can get to that previous closing price, the better support you'll have in the trade and the more momentum in your direction. With a VWAP bounce, you're really looking for a pullback to the VWAP, but with this red to green VWAP bounce, you're looking for a pullback to the VWAP and also where that previous closing place was. Since that's the level where the stock officially went from red to green, that's a pretty solid support level, and so if you can get in right around where those 2 points meet, it will give you twice the support and should help you profit in this type of trade. In this case, that level is right around 49.75, and so you can see that's where I slowly started to scale in, looking to add more as it pulls back to that level. Once we've scaled into our full position, the next goal in this type of trade is for the stock to push up to where that previous high of the day was. That's usually going to be our reward target with bounces like this, and you can always hold a little bit if it does continue to push after that. A risk or stop out level in these type of trades is usually using some type of previous low or high on the chart. A good example of one is right here in this case, and that way our risk is pretty tight, and so if it goes against us, we're still pretty protected. Once the stock does start moving in your direction, you can either slowly scale out or you can just make it a one and done trade, effectively having a nice profitable easy trade for you to use, basing it off of the VWAP. Anyways guys, that's it for this one. Remember, if you want to watch us day trade live on stream every weekday morning, hit that subscribe button, click the bell, turn on notifications. We go live every weekday morning on YouTube. Good luck in the markets guys. Make sure to hit that like button if you want to help support us, and I'll see you all tomorrow morning.